Hello friends, today I will tell you that how to change RAM of laptop. Please, I'm requesting to you, please subscribe my channel. We have laptop of Dell, so RAM is here like this inside the keyboard. So how can I change? Wow, there is many slot here. First is here, and second is here, and third is here, and last is here. So how can I open it? I will tell you that. So how to open? You should open like this. Push inside the button here like this. Push inside. Wow, inside. And second is also inside. Push inside like this. And third is also wow like this. Push inside this. And last is also again and again push inside. When this push inside, keyboard also applied. Please don't pick up like this. You should pick up slightly up, slide up like this. And don't, please be careful. Maybe break this, maybe break this. And keep here this keyboard. Wow, this is open. As you are seeing that, wow, RAM is here. You can change the RAM here and like this. RAM is upside. You may be taken out. Yeah, RAM. We have two slot. If you want to increase the, this is also RAM here, and you may be RAM here. There's two slot here. You can. Now I will reassemble here like this. Reassemble. I am reassemble the frame. So you can change RAM with the help of yourself, as I am telling this video. So have a nice day, friends. Please don't forget, please subscribe my channel, please.